Hello everybody, welcome to Rashida Bora Flavors Camp Show. Today I am going to teach you a very special recipe of my mom's. It's Seekh Kabab recipe, her special secret recipe which she was well known for, and today I am spilling all her secrets out along with tips and tricks. This is Kenyan style Seekh Kabab. Let's start with half kilo of Seekh no Kimo. Seekh no Kimo is really different than beef mince, the regular ones. So make sure you get the right kimo for Seekh Kabab. Marinate it with ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, a little bit of garam masala, that is 1/4 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of jeeru powder, half teaspoon of pili pili bhuji. If you don't have pili pili bhuji, you can use regular green chili paste or red chili paste, but fresh ones. And then salt to taste. Mix all the masalas really well, like knead it into the mince, and make sure you don't wash the mince at all. You don't need to wash any mince here, because if you wash it, you'll spoil the Seekh Kabab. Cover it and then let it marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. The longer the better. So if you can do it for overnight, it's better. The flavor will be more enhanced. Place it in the refrigerator if you are marinating it for overnight. And always use fresh kimo for this, never use frozen kimo for Seekh Kababs. Now once it's marinated, take small balls, mix it well first, and then take small balls out of it, make a kebab shape, oval shape, and then thread it in the Seekh Kabab sticks. Now Seekh Kabab sticks are different than the regular skewers. They are more flat, or they are square in shape, and they are a bit more broad. Once you have threaded the Seekh Kabab in the skewer, the method to flatten the Seekh Kabab is really important. So one trick my mother showed me was to twist the kebab while tightening it and flattening it out. The shape should be even and it should be twisted. The twisted motion will ensure that once you cook it, it won't fall off while cooking from the skewer. So make sure you twist the kebab and also keep your hand tight while flattening it, so that the kebabs are tightly close to the skewer. And flatten it out for the desired shape of your Seekh Kabab. It shouldn't be really thick and it shouldn't be really thin. This also will ensure the perfect Seekh Kabab. Do this for all the remaining Seekh Kabab kimo. For half a kilo of Seekh Kabab mince which I used, I got around a dozen of Seekh Kababs, fairly sized. And now I'll grill it over low flame charcoal. If you have charcoal grill, that's amazing, but if you don't have a charcoal grill, that's fine. You can still have this delicious Seekh Kabab at your home. You can use an oven, an electric grill, or just a frying pan, whichever method fits you best. But if you are using these methods, make sure you do dhungar afterwards, after the Seekh Kababs are thoroughly cooked, so that you get the smoky flavor out of it. Now if you are using charcoal, then you cook it 2 to 3 minutes each side and regulate the charcoal heat so that it doesn't become too hot for the Seekh Kabab, and you get really evenly cooked Seekh Kabab. Once they are lightly golden in color and thoroughly cooked, take a kitchen towel and remove it from the skewers. It will just glide like butter from the skewers. Another trick which my mother showed me, which I would like to share with you all, is if you would like to reuse your skewers, after removing your Seekh Kababs from the skewers, fill a bucket of water with tap water or cold water. Place your skewers immediately in the cold water so that it gets room temperature, and then wipe it completely dry. And now you can thread your new kebab in it and reuse it again. This only works for steel skewers for Seekh Kabab. If you are using wooden ones, then soak it in water before you thread the Seekh Kabab, and it's only one time use. Place it in your hot pot or just serve it immediately, however you like it. We have it with tandoori naan and salad and amblini chutney. Oh my god, they are delicious. Just look at the way they are thoroughly cooked, and this is how they look. Make sure you try this recipe out. If you have any questions below, put it down in the comments. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. And I have my sururu recipe also on my channel. It's live, so if you want the authentic Tanzanian sururu recipe, it's so authentic that you won't miss Tanzanian street food at all if you are not living in Tanzania right now. This is the way I've made sururu with my mother's recipe under my mother's guidance along with tomato rojo. So do not forget to check out my YouTube channel along with my Instagram. And if you like this video, if it was helpful to you, share this. Do not forget to like, give it a big thumbs up and like it, and let me know which recipe you would like to see next so that I can prepare for it and share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye. Aujo.